So when we set out to create the hair care line, it made a lot of sense to put it in our True Science brand. Our True Science brand within the LifeVantage brand is specifically a Nerve 2 focused personal care line. So considering that we already had a Nerve 2 focused skin care line, to extend that brand to include the hair care made a whole lot of sense to us.
As a biohacker, we wanted to reduce toxic load. And when I'm researching on a lot of personal care, especially hair care system, a lot of product I love and I use was not as clean as I thought.
In particular, when it comes to hair care, you're always dealing with either something that has a high toxic load, or you can get rid of the toxic load, but it just doesn't work like your old stuff.
Now what we wanted to do is have products without those harmful, harsh chemicals, but at the same time still have a product that actually worked.
We have a few trademark ingredients in our True Science hair care system: Lanatellis, Apiscalp, and Hairgenel. The Lanatellis is actually the Nerve 2 activating ingredients, which can protect your hair from environmental assaults.
Shampoo is one of the product was really hard to formulate. One thing you will notice, our invigorating shampoo have a really thin water-like texture that's coming from, we try to not to use any type of binding that it makes it product not clean.
We stay away from certain chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfate. So that's something else you'll notice in the shampoo. It doesn't lather as much. You don't need that much lather to have clean hair, and it's also very drying for your scalp and is also very bad for the environment.
So conditioner is a little bit different property. You want it to kind of grab onto your hair. So we use a lot of nourishing ingredients.
And the scalp serum is the secret of the line, I think, because it goes to your scalp. It addresses the issues of the dry hair, of the frizz, of the fuller and thicker looking hair.
When it came to the visual brand for the hair care line, we wanted to make sure that there were distinguishing factors between the skin care line and the hair care line, as well as the commonality between the two. We used the same logo type, True Science logo type, and the same pattern and the same sizing, but use a different color scheme and a little bit different layout in order to be able to achieve both those things for the visual look.
Every element was thought through, not just the outside or the principal panel as we call it, but every single element, just as the product has been thought through, every element. We wanted it to mirror that careful and meticulous nature of the product.
There's actually an app that you can validate it, how clean your product is. The app called Think Dirty. So they will score 0 to 10, 0 being clean and 10 being dirty. Our product is scored 1 for shampoo and 2 for conditioner and a scalp serum.
We thought, man, if our products were in there and had great scores, that makes a really great marketing tool for our distributors. The effects that we've been able to see with our biohacker community has been unreal.
Fuller, thicker looking hair, reduced split ends, a more balanced scalp.
A lot of the hair care product, when you look at it, this is for oily scalp or oily hair or dry hair. But our product's for all hair type.
So the True Science hair care system is formulated for everyone. Men, women, thick hair, thin hair, it's for everyone and everyone can use it.